ready to lose a 3 weeks old hairstyle. Upon how long the hairstyle has been, it's still shining. This is what you get when you use a good product in your hair. Before losing the hair, something has to be done to avoid dryness or frizzy texture, as that can make the hair brittle to break off easily. So to prevent that, we start by applying aloe vera leave-in detangle hairspray to soften the hair. This also prepares the scalp for any touch, removing initial shock. With that, it won't be painful or too dry to work on. Aloe vera detangle spray does a good job, preventing the scalp from sooting after losing the hair. See the feeling in my face. Next is application of Aloe Vera and Fruits hair moisturizer to add softness to each hair strand and prevent split ends and making the hair more manageable. The palm feeling is done, and then the hair smoothing essential oil, a good source of anti-freezing, is now used to help lock in the moisture for nice texture, making the hair more manageable. You can now enjoy losing the hair. Even the baby in the picture is enjoying the process because she's not feeling any stress at all. Mind you, ensure proper massage is done on the hair for proper penetration to the scalp, hair roots, and hair body. Now let's enjoy the good feeling on her face as she's enjoying the process. Now don't forget to separate the hair from the root to the hair tips using your finger and a white teeth comb as you lose the wave. This type of comb should be used before thorough combing. Now you can see the hair length. Her hair is 9 inches long. Look at it very well. 9 inches long, and she's just 2 years and 3 months. She's having 4C hair time, and she's still enjoying making her hair. Please don't forget to reapply the anti-freezing oil if feeling drying at any part of the hair. This step should be followed before thorough combing can be done. So now let's enjoy the process of protecting your natural hair, especially for C type of hair. We've not finished losing the hair. The beauty of the natural hair is already coming out. Look at her. This feeling is actually better than crying. With this, she will like making a natural hair. Imagine, Look at hair length. Look at hair length. Good product is good. You can see I'm reapplying the hairspray because the texture is already feeling dry. Probably it didn't penetrate well initially. Wow, look at long hair. Imagine. Please use a cotton hair bond to hold the hair, not rubber, because this can tangle the hair and cause more damage. This is her after restyling her hair. You can check the next video to see how I thoroughly comb the hair. See you! Thank you! Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you!